Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set VLC Media Player as default media player in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now to do that, what you need to do is go to your search bar. In here, type for settings. Then just open up settings from best match. When setting loads on the left hand menu, you'll find another search bar. In here, type default apps. And in the drop down menu, you'll find default apps. Just click on it. Now from here, what you need to do is just scroll down all the way till you find VLC Media Player. And there you go. Then just expand this. Then in here, you'll find every file type that is related to VLC Media Player, which VLC Media Player can open. Now, if you want them to open via VLC Media Player, just click on them and select VLC Media Player and click on Set as Default. Now, you can do this for every single file type which you want VLC Media Player to play by default. So just do it for everything, for example, .mp3, .flac, .mp4, everything. And after that, if you open that file type, and if you open that video, what will happen is VLC Media Player by default will open that file. And basically that is how to set VLC Media Player as default video player on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.